Good morning.
Hello.
We're off to Mexico. Checked in. It was a bit of a mission, okay, because there was a huge problem on the M25, and instead of an hour journey, it took us 2.5 hours, and I had an anxiety attack. My cousin had to calm me down. But anyway, we're here now. We're about to board. Everything went well. So I'm actually going because I'm doing a wedding out there. I'm doing a bridal job. I'm so excited. I've never been to Mexico before. And I figured why not take somebody with me. Unfortunately, my husband couldn't come because of work. But so I'm taking my cousin, who we've already said hi. She's over there looking away. Ari.
Oh. Hi again.
Hi again, exactly. And it's an 11-hour flight.
Didn't flight.
So we both have aisle seats because we both like aisle seats. Yeah, I'm curious to know who's gonna sit right next to me. So guess what we got? Yes! Going through immigration. Got Lomas Travel taking us to the hotel. So the bride sorted all of this out. They had our names and everything, so that's cool. It was -3 in London, and here it's like 28 degrees or something, and you see all the palm trees in the back. It's quite insane. And I'm sweating and boiling. Oh, we're so excited to get to the hotel, and I'm so excited. Like, the bride's been checking on me, and she's like, have you landed? Is everything okay? How was your journey? So looking forward to seeing her as well. And we're so excited! Damn!
I feel poor.
Hard Rock Cafe with Bridal. This is our room. It's got a little jacuzzi in there. This is our little bathroom. So cute. First thing, some tacos. Good morning, Cancun. Look at the view. You can just see the sea. Looks a little bit aggressive, but it's so stunning. I mean, wow. Right, I ironed. This is what I do. Laksha's about to do that. I've like literally brought all my clothes color coordinated. I've got my pinks, my greens, and my blues, and I'm sorted. We are off to the gym. We're being good girls. Work off whatever we're going to be eating on this all-inclusive trip. So these are the animals that we would apparently come across, and we already just did. The one in the top left corner. That's agouti. It's an agouti. Yeah, we just saw it walk past us, so that was cool.
That's you.
Where?
That one. The raccoon.
I thought you were gonna point at a monkey. And that's you, the spider monkey. Just figured I'll just come to the pool and chill for a bit before I have to go and do the trial makeup, since I have about 4 hours to kill. So me and my cousin, we're just gonna sit here. She's in the pool and I'm just gonna read, chill. Yeah. All set up. So this is my little makeup station, and then I've got the hair stuff here. It's just, we're gonna do the trial in my room. Her sister's gonna come as well because I'm draping the sari for the sister, so I'm just gonna have everything else ready. Say hi, guys. We are ready to go for dinner. Hi. We're gonna try out the Thai food here that we saw online. Trial went really well, by the way. Bride was very happy. Laksha helped me color hair. Thanks for that. But yeah, first, namak saappaadu dhaan mukkiyam. So if you've noticed, this is blue. This is also Hard Rock Hotel, obviously, but this is the other side. So this is only like adults only, no children. So we came on this side now because the Thai restaurant is on this side. Look at the waves. Good morning, guys. Back at the gym. I'm a little bit ill, but I just thought I'll do a little bit of abs. Yeah, I already had a little bit of a sore throat coming here, so it just gotten a little bit worse, but still energetic and good to go to work, okay? Chilling by the pool. I've got 3 to 4 hours to kill again. So we've just had breakfast. We're gonna chill, and Laksha's gonna stay by the pool. I'm gonna quickly go and do my work, and then we have the rest of the evening to us. Hi, just got ready to start on the first look of the weekend, which is their welcome drinks. So we're doing something a little bit Elsa inspired, something a little bit fun and something different that she's not done before. I'm pumped up on like pills because yeah, it's just, I don't know if you can tell, my eyes are quite red. I'm still feeling okay, it's just my sinuses are quite blocked. So yeah, I'm gonna take a mask with me as well, just in case. Don't want to obviously get the bride ill at all. I mean, this is an important weekend for her. We're still deciding whether we're gonna get ready in her room or my room, because I think her room's not ready, so I'm just waiting around for her message. So we've done, can't talk, we've decided to set up in our room, as in my room, the one that my cousin and I are sharing. So this is my little hair station, got loads of hair extensions that we're going to use today as well. And this is where I've got all my makeup. Maybe I should do a vlog where I show you guys how I pack makeup or my kit for abroad. And my bride is here. Here we have Vina. How are you feeling?
Excited.
We got her hair done and now we're gonna start makeup, and she already looks stunning before makeup anyway, so.
Thank you.
Ta-da! Very nice. You want to look down for me? Let's see the eyes. Very pretty. We went with a pastel color, a little bit of pastel on the lower lashes, a little side messy plait to the side. She's really happy. I hope you are.
We love it. I love it. But we collectively love it too.
Lord Jesus, it's so warm. I'm off to the bride's room now. So obviously hair and makeup is done. Now I'm just going to quickly put an outfit on, take some pictures for Gram. And yeah, and then Laksha and I, we made a reservation at a restaurant. I think it's Japanese. Yeah, so I'm all dressed. I've got like a denim skirt, this shirt, a little bit of jewelry. So yeah.
You know, I love that we have all these talented people from all over the world right now.
Oh, very, very nice. I'm getting the bride and the sister of the bride ready today for their Sangeet, so I'm feeling better. My cold and my sore throat are better. I know I don't sound it, but I definitely feel better. Yeah, looking forward to today. Does mean I have to get to bed really early today because it's a 3 a.m. start tomorrow, but I'll take you along with me today. I know I'm wearing the same gym clothes. I swear to God, I never thought I would go work out more than once on this entire trip. Whereas Laksha was smart. She's wearing a different outfit every single time. She's a fashionista like that, she said. But today we're not going to do gym. We're instead going to go and hit our steps and go for a walk by the beach. Because I've not seen the beach yet, like as in from far, yes, but we thought we'll do that today and then go get breakfast. Yeah, my skin, my voice, who cares? Just chilling by the beach. We've got a few more hours and I got myself a non-alcoholic strawberry daiquiri. Why not? Ready, off to get her ready for Sangeet. My cousin's here as well. She's my assistant today.
Yes. So here, she's getting everything ready.
Keep going. हंसते हंसते आशिक सूली चढ़ जाए इश्क के जादू सर चढ़ बोले इश्क के जादू सर चढ़ बोले
And she's ready. Oh my god, so glam. Such a nice outfit.
Thank you.
Do you want to look down a little bit so we can see a bit of the makeup? Very nice. So having dinner at Toro Steakhouse now. Good morning. It's like 2:45. It'll take me about 10 minutes to walk to her room because she's literally on the other side. So I've got my kit ready. Have messaged her and her sister to make sure they're awake, and I can't wait. Today's look is going to be awesome. All set up. This is our little hair station. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, about to do bangles. We have a whole entourage in the background.
Our squad, our getting ready squad.
Literally. She's ready. And then a little bit at the back, please. Very nice. So I'm going to add these to the veil. I always carry these around. Look at the state of my hair. Like, it's so frizzy. Oh gosh. I came back to the room, slept for a bit. My cousin went to the gym, so I'm meeting her now to have breakfast together. There is no quarter change for this. She's doing a different kind of ceremony. So yeah, so then it's about 1:30ish, 2ish is when I go back to do a reception makeover for her, and that'll be my last look. And then yeah, we're flying back tomorrow anyway, but yeah, I feel like the beginning of the vlog, I was just like shooting so many things for you guys, and then it just became, and then it just became less and less. I'm really sorry. It's just obviously once you start working, it's really hard to constantly create content or take your phone out and stuff. Yeah. I'm like, this place is like a maze. Glammed up a little bit. I spilled food during breakfast, so just changed into this, and I'm off to the bride now. All set up. And with this view. Proud of this. We've done something really cute and whimsical. Look how stunning she looks.
Hi vlog.
Thank you so much for flying me out here and having me be part of your wedding. Like, really appreciate it.
This is literally a dream come true.
Aw.
I'm obsessed with everything. So
Yay, she looks amazing. Naan veerthe poi oligi.
Me too.
No, you look amazing.
It'll just be a glow.
Exactly. Anyway, bye. So now that work is officially done, Laksha and I think we look a bit Latina. We are off to Cocobongo. so many people have been telling us to do it, so we booked it. We're just gonna go and see what the hype is. We made it! The flight, and we never told you what we thought about Coco Bongo. So, Laksha, what do you think?
Coco Bongo was amazing.
It was amazing. Okay, if you ever go to Cancun, it's something you have to do. It was amazing. We're just tired. Yeah. We're gonna go home, shower, sleep. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog.
As well.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, you know, subscribe, and let us know what you thought of the looks and which look your favorite look was.